Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. And today I'm going to take you through our 2019 Scout 255 LXF. Starting off here, the transom. The boat is powered by twin 150 horsepower four-strokes from Yamaha. These are digital throttle and shift engines. We've got twin swim platforms to both sides, a nice transom door to access the cockpit. That can also close and lock. This stern seat tucks away, so it gives you a nice bolster if you're doing any fishing off the back end. Opens and closes really nicely. Nice double wide seat, large spacious stainless steel hardware. Rod holders and cup holders along the back. Standard bait well on the port side. We've got this boat equipped with fender pros for quick disconnects for your fenders. We've got rod storage underneath both gunnels. This is the upgraded ultra vinyl from Scout, their heritage color. Standard helm seat configuration. Rod holders and cup holders along the back with a large stainless steel handrail, and then tackle storage built into the backrest. Large 94-quart igloo cooler beneath the helm seat. Really comfortable helm seating with flip-up bolsters. Got a really nice dash set up here as well. You got a 7612 from Garmin. It's a 12-inch touchscreen. All digital switching. Of course, digital throttle and shift, as mentioned before. We've got trim tabs with indicators, digital starts and stops, Edson steering wheel with an adjustable tilt, fully enclosed windshield with some ventilation up top. And then we've got optional rocket launchers along the back, LED spreader lights both fore and aft, and then we have this boat equipped with the upgraded sound system. So we have the JL audio speakers built into the hardtop, both fore and aft, and we also have a large subwoofer beneath the helm area as well. Coming around to the port side, we've got a large porcelain head on this boat with its own holding tank, along with a battery charger. A lot of headroom, very spacious area for storage as well. Forward in the bow, really comfortable seating. Good lounge space with removable backrests. Picnic table that folds out with cup holders and a cooler box forward. These cushions easily removed if you want to do any fishing. And then you've got storage on both sides. And as mentioned, the backrests do really easily remove, so you can open up this space. Just drop right back in. And then we've also got a seat forward of the console with storage, or you can also use this area as a cooler. Really high, comfortable backrest as well, so a lot of good support. And we've got storage down in the deck as well. That's also finished out and drained. And then lastly, of course, the 255 comes with a windlass anchor with foot controls on the deck in addition to your controls back at the helm. That's our Scout 255 LXF. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and visit us online at marinemax.com. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.